All right, you guys, so we have, let's see if I can situate my little bowl. Okay, so we have lots of jalapenos on this side, and this plant right here, you guys, grew really well. Even the deers came in here. The funny thing about this area is the deers came in here and snipped off a lot of my leaves. So they actually pruned for me. And it was so funny because I said it worked because I was actually able to see all of my jalapenos, and then a lot of the energy went into producing the jalapeno, which was really good. So sometimes when your deers prune, you can benefit from it. Yep. So I may be able to get another harvest off this plant, and these got really big. I enjoyed harvesting over here in this area with the peppers. I got a lot of peppers over here. Yeah, them suckers was able to come in and still get to these leaves, even though I had, you see how I had rigged the fence. These are some type of, I think peconies or something, but they didn't get big at all. It's another jalapeno. We see them when you step back. And then there's a giant one all the way down here. And two more. That one. Nice big one. All right, I think I'm finished over here. And then over here we had some green peppers, some of the transplants that I did. So again, pretty good pepper harvest this year. And some of these I can tell that the weather is starting to get to them because they browning a little bit. These are some of my, I believe those are the pepperconies. That one got messed up. Nice pretty red one. He's a done deal though. Let's see. Yeah, he's a done deal. Might be able to get some of them seeds. I'll just leave them down there. Here's a pretty red one. I forgot the name of that. Let's see. Got a nice green one down here. So yeah, the pepperconies are trying to get bigger. I'm gonna bring you guys a closer look on the pepperconies. Not the pepperconies, the POBox. They are trying to get bigger. You want them to get, I would say, probably about 4 inches. This is probably about 2. You want them to get 4 to 5 inches because POBox grow pretty big. So bring you guys a closer look on them. There's a lot on there, but they just not getting as big as I want them to be. So you see, get you guys right. I think you guys can see most of them over here. See, they all down here. They went through the fence. They came through the fence over here. So you can see there's a lot of them. I think you guys can see. There's a lot of them right here. They all over the place. They just not getting as big as I want them. And again, they actually went through the fence. And the ones actually on that side are getting bigger. And I can actually see them now. They're definitely doing their thing on that side. So I'm gonna give these another couple of weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. Hopefully the weather don't get too cold to where they cause them to just want to exit out. So hopefully I'll be able to get a nice bluebonnet harvest. But that's what it's looking like right now, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna probably walk back in there because those on the other side do look pretty good. Yeah. So let me get you guys over this way. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video on my pepper harvest for this season, rather my end of the season harvest. And hopefully I'll get some more. But I was really pleased with a lot of these peppers this year. I don't know, I don't have a problem when it comes to these jalapenos though at all. But yeah, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video on my pepper harvest, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in and being patient with SEK throughout this heat wave of a summer. And I really hope everyone had a wonderful harvest this season. I hope that everyone is still prepping and things of that nature, still canning, still stacking up. This was definitely a wicked heat summer, but I hope everyone kept cool. I hope you're taking care of your health, and I hope everyone is maintaining the best that they can. All right, you guys, so this is SEK the Homesteader. Thank you so much for always tuning in and cheering me on. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching.